All right, Ramblers, we are at the 2025 Hershey RV show at the Keystone display. We're taking a look at the 441. This is a Keystone Raptor toy hauler fifth wheel.
Should we start in the back?
Yeah,
let's do
start in the
something
back.
different. I like that the back steps are solid steps and it has a safety rail. You don't see this a lot of times in toy haulers. It's just the cheapy steps or no safety rail.
That's true.
All right, before we continue, let's take a quick look at some of the key specifications, and we'll also take a look at the floor plan, and you can always pause if you'd like to take a closer look at either of these.
Wow. This is really, really nice. Nice space back here. I mean, toy haulers, you can do haul toys, but you can do a lot. It's a great flex space. I mean, it is a great flex space. This would be a huge office, a great bedroom for kids. You could sleep 4 kids back here if you needed to or wanted to.
I'm going to catch this patio while the catching is good. We got crowds here today. It has been a struggle.
Friday at the RV show. Whoa.
Nice awning.
All right, so these are benches. If you're familiar with toy haulers, they make into a bed if you'd like, one single bed. They just pull and meet each other in the middle. There's a queen size bed up above that can come down on these tracks right here. So you could sleep 2 here, 2 up there if you needed to, and then we have a loft. So you could sleep 1 more up here if needed. There's a ladder that goes up to this side, or you can use it for storage if you need to access the storage, or say good morning to your child, or hand them breakfast in bed.
I love that. That is functional and crazy.
Somebody should just like yole-hee-hoo. Comes with a TV, so you can put the kids back here and let them have fun. And then I'm guessing this is a half bath, which I am right. You have not a ton of space. A little medicine cabinet.
Introducing the bathroom.
Bigger storage. I'm sure there's at least enough room for a garbage can in there. You have a porcelain foot flush toilet.
Just enough space.
Just enough space to do your business. All right.
Nice big windows back here.
Yeah, really big windows, and they're all tinted, pretty dark. So you can still see out of them. And then you have the glass door going into the rig, which I just think looks really nice. It's just one nice big piece. As you walk in, you have a really actually nice size L-shaped couch. It's not miniature. I feel like the last one we were in, it was a little bit smaller. This is really great size. Easily, comfortably seat 4 people, 5 if needed here. Recliners. I'm not sure if this makes out into a bed. I think these look like they're all recliners, but maybe not. I don't know. Let me look. Oh yeah, this makes out into a bed, so you have more bed space here. Dinette. The dinette looks like it comes out to maybe here. I'm sure there's probably 2 more chairs somewhere hidden in this rig, or maybe you provide your own. I don't know, but ample space here, which is great. Love that. If you want to come in and take a look at the entertainment panel, I love this paneling. It is gorgeous. Backlit over here, some accent lighting. This looks really high end. Sometimes I feel toy haulers, at least they used to, look kind of very industrial. They didn't put a lot of bells and whistles on this part because that was the important part. Now we're getting both. We're getting bells and whistles and this nice garage. So really nice size TV, soundbar, fireplace, which is very typical. We have nice window coverage. I love the squared off encased windows. So nice. Beautiful lighting up here. Okay, again, accent lighting with the lighting. You find the same over the dinette. Let's see what this is. Oop. Yep, it's what I thought it was. Excellent pull-out pantry. These are not adjustable shelves, but you have plenty of room here for cereal boxes, cracker boxes, anything tall.
And it's see-through, so you can open it up and still see what the kids are doing on the other side.
You have a nice Furrion fridge. Let's see. I always want to open it from the top. I think ours must open from the top. Here we go. It is a residential. I'm almost positive. I don't know where to look. Yes, 115. So, oops.
So plug it up and forget about it.
It's very picky about how you close it, I guess.
Please close the left side first.
Right.
Yeah.
2 pull-out drawers for your freezer, which I like, kind of like the separate drawers. Some of them have the big drawer and then you have 2 drawers inside. I kind of like this better. Love this prep space.
I'm going to trade you spots.
Love this prep space.
Sorry for the pause there.
You know, you don't have a ton of counter space in here, so this really is important counter space. 3 drawers that are nicely finished off. Look at this. Awesome for pots and pans. Huge, 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 huge. Big boiling pots, Dutch oven. I mean, that's really nice. Let's check this out. Oh, I love this. So again, we saw this in the last toy hauler we were in. These are dovetailed. These nice big pull-out shelves, but really they're kind of like a side drawer.
Has a cutout access. These are beautiful. They do the same in the bathrooms, and I think these are my favorite shelves. These are my favorite shelves of the show.
Yeah, I would agree.
Is that a thing? Oh, let me capture this paper with a bunch of specs on it since we're here.
I love that nobody's in here. We found a nice little corner spot here.
It's rare today. It's been rough.
Really nice storage above. Again, more if you have big, large pots, this would be a great place for that. You could also put your own shelf in there if you needed extra storage that wasn't quite so tall. We have a hot point microwave, 4-burner cooktop, and a nice big oven. Almost residential, possibly residential. Little over here, this is great for your cutting boards and cookie sheets. 3 drawers. Let's go up here. Nice tall storage. Not adjustable shelves, but you have ample space here for taller items. And then this is the same. Wow, I can't believe how much storage is in here. The countertop space and the storage in kitchens for this has been just absolutely amazing. We have a pull-out garbage can, 2 pull-out garbage cans. You can come on in. 2 pull-out garbage cans. And then check this out.
Another 4. Wow, Keystone.
Oh, it's really nice. I mean, no wasted space. No wasted space at all. Let's take a gander up this way. You have storage above the... And then there's your big... What'd you call that? A subwoofer?
That's
I don't know what that means.
You can be bumping while you're making your sandwiches.
Floating steps.
Got your
Nice.
solar charge controller. Oh, your inverter actually right here. Your controls and an in-command center.
Okay. Shower, 1-piece shower. Has everything you need for spray areas. Lots of room up here, probably at least 8 inches, and I'm 5'10". A little seat, teak seat. Little sink. Love this. Lit mirror.
You know, using a golden faucet to start your day, that is
Pretty swanky.
That's nice, yeah.
This is just for a small, skinny garbage can. We have 4 drawers here, and then this is our favorite thing that we saw in the last one. Check this out. It pulls out all the way to the wall. Like all the way. There is not one wasted inch in this. Sometimes they only come out, and then you have to reach back. This comes out all the way. This is amazing.
Tall in the back, cut out in the front. You can put everything in there.
I haven't even
Nothing's gonna
seen
get
this
lost.
in a Brinkley.
This is amazing. Yeah, just beautifully done. Nicely finished too. And I think you mentioned it's dovetailed.
And I like that you have to give them a little bit of a tug. They're not really but that's nice because it's going to stay in place. You're not going to have to worry about if you're not level, just all of a sudden the shelves, coming out. You have to give them a little bit of a tug. Pocket door here out of the bathroom. Then we have a king bed and some little stands on the side. You have plugins on each side, USB-C.
USB.
I mean, USB-C. What's that? USB-C.
That's a new type of connection we just invented.
Sounded like is that a university?
UBS, that's a bank, a Swiss bank.
Oh, that's where we have all of our money. USB and USB-C, right?
Yes, that's
okay.
right.
Oh, University of British Columbia, I think that's
Oh.
UBC. Anyway, whatever.
These are the important things that occupy our
Well,
minds.
now I'm like, where did I get that from? Nice backlit headboard. You have windows on each side of the bed with some really nice shades. I like these little shades again. I love the window coverings. This looks so nice and clean. All right. Then we have closet, hanging rod, the whole way over. Nice shelf
Really
up
deep.
above, nice shelf below. Lots of shoe storage, basket storage. This is pretty tall too. So I like how it's lit and finished off in here. It just looks really, really nice. This gives it a nice look. I do like mirrors over here, but this looks nice. So, and then we have our stackable washer and dryer.
Oh,
I don't
I
think the
guess
other one had a washer and dryer in it, so we can see what this looks
is
like.
Optional or included, but we'll have a link in the description. You can,
Yeah, this is
you
like,
can find out.
but you can see what it looks like. A lot of times they
Yeah.
don't have them in here, so this is really nice. I love that. Love
Okay,
that.
gotta
Gorgeous.
Trade places again.
Okay.
While we trade, I'm just going to show you the inside of this because I want to cover up the fact that we're transitioning. You may not have noticed, but I am not a cinematographer certified by the Motion Picture Association.
It is what it is. Underbed storage too here. We have a dresser with the top that slides with a little bit of room in there for all of your jewels that you bring camping. Some nice finished off drawers, 2 of those, and then shoe storage down below. Again, these really nice blinds that I love. TV, and this, the last one we were in, there was a magnet back here that held the door
There
open.
was a
This one
magnet
does not
catch.
have one, and check out what happens.
So the 441 does not have the magnetic door catch.
Which you can buy and install
Yeah,
super easily.
that's
But I mean, we really like those. In fact, we need one as well. But yeah, I mean, what do you think? I like the colors.
I like it a lot. Let's do a fly through out the back. How about
Okay,
that?
Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna give Darcy a head start, then we're gonna do a glide out the back. It's got the half. There we go. That is my buttery smooth glide. If anyone needs a cinematographer, I am available.
Weddings, bar mitzvahs, funerals.
$10 for a day. All right, so that is the 441, right? Oh, let me catch the price. Oh, we didn't mention the TV in the slide, but we'll do that when we can do a first look video. Okay, this show priced at $129.9. Is that the same price as the side patio
I
one?
believe so.
Yeah. Okay, 440. Oh, this is the 441HB. Okay. Dry weight 17,580, 46 feet. Wow.
It's pretty.
Make sure you give yourself lots of space to turn big old triple axles.
Thanks for watching. We'll pin a comment where we'll share updates or additional information, and you can find the manufacturer's link in the description. And if you enjoyed this review, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It helps our channel, and we love to know who's watching. And while you're at it, drop us a comment too. We read them all, and I promise to respond. We really do love hearing from our viewers. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep it campy.